Hey, welcome back to my channel. This is online banking guide for PNC Bank. In this tutorial, you're going to learn everything you need to know about the sign-on box of PNC online banking. Please stay with me and watch this video through the end. First, go to any browser in your phone or your desktop and then go to PNC Bank's official website. Or you can simply type pnc.com in the search bar and then tap on go. This is the homepage of PNC Bank. On your top right corner, you're going to see an option that says sign on. Tap on that. In order to sign on, you will have to enter your user ID here. If you want PNC to remember your user ID, go ahead and check this box. Now you will enter your password here and then tap on login link right here. You will be logged in to PNC online banking. If you have forgotten your user ID or password, you will have to tap on the link that says forgot ID or password, which is going to lead you to this page. If you have forgotten your password, go ahead and tap on this link right here that says start reset password. Now you will have to enter your online banking user ID here, your social security number or tax identification number here. Remember, you will have to enter only last 4 digits. Now you will have to enter your full account number of PNC. You can also use a debit card, credit card, checking, savings, loan or investment account number and then tap on next. They are going to send you a passcode which you are going to use to create a new password or to reset your password, and that is simply it. Let's go back again. If you have forgotten your user ID, you will have to read all the information that is available in this box. Let's go back again. Now remember, in order to use online banking of PNC, first you will have to enroll yourself. I highly recommend you to read everything in here first and then begin your process. The things that you will be needing is your social security number, your PNC Visa debit card PIN or online access PIN, and your PNC account number. Go ahead and tap on Get Started link right here. As you can see, there are 5 phases. First, you will have to verify your identity. Then you will have to create sign-on credentials. Then you will have to customize security. After that, you will be reading services and terms. And lastly, you will review everything and sign on using your new user ID and password. To begin with, you will have to enter your social security number here, your PNC Visa debit card PIN or online access PIN right here, and then finally you will have to enter your PNC account number here. When you are done, tap on next. Now you will create your sign-on credentials like your username and password. Then you will customize your security. You will read terms and services. Finally, you will review all the information and enroll for online banking of PNC. Then you will be able to use your new user ID and password to sign on to online banking of PNC. That is everything you need to know about login box of PNC Bank. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And thank you so much for watching this video.